On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail in 5 minutes. So a great YouTube thumbnail can increase clicks and views, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how you can make an eye-catching thumbnail in just 5 minutes using Canva or PixArt. So if you're using Canva, first you can just open Canva and then click on create a design. And in here you can set the size to YouTube's thumbnail size. You can go with this, click on the YouTube thumbnail. Next, you can choose a background, so you can use a high quality image. You can search for free HD backgrounds, or you can use Unsplash or Pixel for royalty free images. But with Canva, you can just go to elements in here and then just find background as the keyword. So you can use bright colors like yellow, red, and blue to make the thumbnails pop. Here I'm going to just go with, let's just click on photos and see all. Let's see if I can find any bright colors for my background. I'm going to just write yellow background. Okay, let's use this one for example. You can just right click on it and then choose to set image edge background. And next, you can just add your main image or cut out PNG. You can import a photo of yourself, or you can also use Canva's background remover to cut out the background. So here I'm going to just open the clear background apps on Canva and just choose the image. Here, this is just an example, so I'm going to just use any random image here. Okay, you can just remove the background first, and after it finished, just add it into the background. Okay, now place it on the side of the thumbnail for balance. So I'm going to just put it right here, and I'm going to just, okay, I've already add an outline or cut out stroke effects to the image. Now you can just add bold and readable text. So here click on the text on Canva. Okay, I'm going to just use heading. Here you can use short, powerful words. So this is just an example. I'm going to just write viral thumbnail tutorial. And you need to choose a bold font such as impact, Anton, or anything that looks bold as your phone. Sorry, as your thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to just use impact, I think. Take this one's right here. You can adjust the spacing and everything. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. Don't forget to adjust the size and the color. So use contrast color, white text on dark background and black text on bright background. So here I'm already using black. You can use a drop, shadow, or stroke to make this text stand out. So go to effects and adjust the text. So I'm going to go with shadow. You can also add emojis, arrows, or effects if you want to. And after this, you can just tap on share, download, And in here, choose the file type as GPG because thumbnail usually need to be in smaller size. And after that, you can just click on download and upload the thumbnail in YouTube Studio while posting your video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on